Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group member Nur Izzah, Nur Fatehah, Ayra Elisha, and me, Fatin Ameera, will be presenting carbonyl group. Okay, first we go through the introduction. Ayra will be presenting.
Thank you, Ameera. Okay, I will tell about the definition. Okay, what is carbonyl group? Carbonyl group is a functional group that is composed from a carbon atom which is double bonded to an oxygen atom. So we can see it stated C2O. Okay, it is common to several classes of organic compound as part of many larger groups, and the simple classes of carbonyl group is aldehydes and ketone. And as we can see the picture that is stated below, we can see the structure of aldehyde and ketone. And it is important that we remember that compound that contains carbonyl group is called carbonyl compound, and oxygen only forms two bonds. So in the carbonyl group, nothing else bonds to the oxygen. So if it's oxygen, then it's bonded to carbonyl. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter.
Structure of ketone and aldehyde. Carbonyl group. Both compounds have a carbonyl group but only different by location of carbonyl. The carbonyl group, a carbon-oxygen double bond, is the key structure in these classes of organic molecules. Aldehyde contain at least one hydrogen atom attached to the carbonyl carbon atom, while ketone contain two carbon group attached to the carbonyl carbon atom. Okay, next.
Next, we go through the naming of aldehyde structure. The first structure is named 4-methylpentanal. Why does it call 4-methylpentanal? So first, we look at the longest chain. Starting from here, or starting from the first carbon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon. That means it is associated with pentane. Okay, then we see there are methyl in the fourth carbon, and Al, yeah, Al represent the suffix of aldehyde. So it will make this structure name 4-methylpentanal. Okay.
The second one is 3-ethylpentanal. First of all, we'll identify the longest continuous chain and numbering the parent chain. We'll start numbering from the right to left, starting from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll see the branch group at the third carbon. So it means that it's 3-ethyl because it has CH2 and CH3. So 3-ethylpentanal, and al is the suffix name of aldehyde.
Okay, the third one is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Okay, first we look at the number of carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is hexane, and because of this structure in circle, so we call it as cyclohexane. And OH is aldehyde that attached to another entity which is cyclohexane, so we call it as carbaldehyde. Next.
Okay, the last structure is propanal. So firstly, we must determine the number of chains. So we calculate the number of chain from right to left. So we can see it has 1, 2, 3 number of carbon chain. So we must remember that the aldehyde always start at the first carbon. So we can see the O and the H. So It is aldehyde because it has 3 carbons, so it's called propane, and the anal is the suffix for aldehyde, so it's called propanal.
Okay, that is all from our group. Thank you. These are few questions, you can try it out. Okay.
Bye bye.